tip right there. Other things that we're sort of excited and working on is putting in a mobile device. How someone can have a mobile device and they can report an outage to their utility, and then they can track, and the utility can communicate back to them how far along that the utility has gone to fixing that outage and how soon they should have their service back. Another thing you do is social. Using power of this market. I've seen all these tweets up there, getting people to sort of tweet about their energy usage, comparing their neighbors, saying, I took advantage of this program, I took this action. This kind of a whole social network, the social network effect. We're trying to figure out how to harness that as well. And we just launched, in collaboration with Facebook, what we call O-Power Social a few months back. And the final thing is measure it. So O-Power measures our results by what we call experimental design. Some people get reports, some people don't. Usually everybody will get the web piece. And at the end of the year, we measure up the energy usage from people who got the reports compared to those who didn't. And the delta is how we count the savings. And that's being counted in 15 U.S. states towards energy efficiency goals. We've been approved for use in 25 states, so it should be in 25 states counted quite soon. We are in, bring up here, we're in 4 countries right now, mostly in the United States, but now in Australia, New Zealand, and the UK. And we very soon hope to announce our first Canadian client here in Canada. What we see we're saving for the standard person who is receiving something from O-Power is they reduce their energy usage by about 1 to 3%. And we think that has shown that's real value. And more so than that, when we use the experimental design thing, we have improved customer satisfaction with their utilities by an average of 5%. So when people get this stuff, they actually think about their utility not just as someone who's providing a commodity, but someone who has now actually turned into an energy service provider.